was doubling over. The load on my shoulders was a weight I carried with me every day. Crossing miles of frustrations and rivers of raging, picking up stones I found along the way. I staggered and I stumbled down pathways of trouble. I was hauling those souvenirs of misery, and with each step taken my back was breaking, till I found the one who took it all from me. Down by the riverside I lay my burdens down. Now I'm traveling light, my spirit lifted high. I found my freedom now, and I'm traveling light. Through the darkest alleys and loneliest valleys, I was dragging those heavy chains of doubt and